Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Using Relative Locators in Selenium 4 with C#, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Selenium 4 introduces relative locators, a powerful feature that simplifies the process of locating web elements by their relationship with other elements. This tutorial will guide you through the usage of relative locators in Selenium 4 with C#, providing code examples to help you understand and implement this feature in your automated testing scripts. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Step 1. Set up your C# project. Create a new C# project in Visual Studio and add the Selenium WebDriver for C# to your project. You can do this by installing the Selenium.WebDriver and Selenium.WebDriver.ChromeDriver NuGet packages. Step 2. Navigate to a web page. Set up a basic Selenium WebDriver script to navigate to a web page. Step 3. Identify elements using relative locators. Now, let's explore how to use relative locators to identify elements based on their relationships with other elements. Identify an element based on its relationship to another element. Find an element located to the left of another element. Locate an element positioned to the right of another element. Identify an element below another element. Find an element near another element. Step 4. Execute and verify. Complete your script by executing it and verifying that the elements are located correctly. Conclusion. You've successfully learned how to use relative locators in Selenium 4 with C# to locate web elements based on their relationships with other elements. This feature enhances the robustness and maintainability of your automated tests by reducing the dependency on static locators. Experiment with different scenarios to leverage the full potential of relative locators in your Selenium scripts. ChatGPT. Title, Using Relative Locators in Selenium 4 with C#, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Selenium 4 introduced a powerful feature known as relative locators, making it easier for developers to locate and interact with web elements based on their proximity to other elements. This feature simplifies the process of writing robust and maintainable automation scripts. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of relative locators in Selenium 4 using C# and provide practical examples. Prerequisites. Setting up your project. Ensure that you have the Selenium.WebDriver and Selenium.WebDriver.ChromeDriver NuGet packages installed in your Visual Studio project. Understanding relative locators. Relative locators offer a more human-readable and intuitive way to locate elements by their relation to other elements on the web page. The 5 main strategies are: Code example. Let's demonstrate how to use relative locators in a C# Selenium script. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of relative locators in Selenium 4 using C#. By leveraging these locators, you can enhance the readability and maintainability of your automation scripts. Experiment with different scenarios and incorporate relative locators into your Selenium test suite for more robust web testing. ChatGPT.